Kia 2 Technical, so the kind people over at Prodigee was kind enough to send me out their Pampas. This is bright bold protection. This was 6 feet drop tested. It does have compatible MagSafe and lightweight and slim. And it says it is impact resistant size. So let's get this open here. And I also have this case on my Galaxy S, on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. So pretty much know what this is going to do and look like. But this has a little feather design on the back, the Pampas. It is a nice little clear hard shell case with a little design. You just want to pick up your S26 Ultra and put it in like so. It's not going to add too much weight to your device. On the front, you do get a little lip, nothing to write home about. It feels like a gel skin type of case almost. You do get nice clicky buttons for the power button. Volume up and down button is nice and clicky, no problem. Turning it over at the bottom, you do get access to all of your ports. S Pen, no problem getting it in and out. Nothing over here at the top, nothing. Turning it over to the back, you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat out on the table, you won't have anything to worry about. MagSafe capable ring for wireless charging, or to use a pop socket magnet, no problem. It's not coming off, pretty strong. Let me take you over to their website so you can see how much this case will run you if this is the case that you are into. So this is the case here. This case will currently run you $49.95 plus tax. So this is what it pretty much looks like. Overall, it's a nice looking and feeling case. That design though is just not for me, but I will still rock this on my S26 Ultra. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.